Welcome to DeputeX. DeputeX homepage consists of the location bar, search bar, smart switch bar, listing panel, and navigation bar. The live counter shows the number of live requirements, bids and recent posts in the application. In addition to it, it has a video button to guide you through video tutorials, filter and sort buttons to fine-tune your search result, view changer to show posts in different views. The requirement in Smart Switch Bar is to view requirements submitted by users. The workforce in the Smart Switch Bar is to view professionals around you, simple like people directory. You may get any professional from here. Lead in Smart Switch Bar is a special provision for lead pack holders to list out leads in a separate place. Inside listing panel, each post strip is having a header row, by touching which it will land you on detailed view. Posts with priority packs will have a small cap on the top left corner. Posts with tag packs will have tags applied by the user. Top right corner of the post strip, you may find Aadhaar, mobile, mail, and organization status icon, where grayed out icon represent non-availability of the related details, blue represent the availability of related details, and green tick represents the verified status of the respective icon. The bottom of the post strip shows a provision to report the post if needed, followed by a share option to distribute post details, and a favorite icon to mark it under your favorites list. Below report icon it shows post last updated date, number of people viewed it, number of people marked it as favorite, and number of people bidded for the post. On the bottom right side of the post strip, you may view the note icon, where details of the post typed by the user are available. Next to it is a voice note icon, where requirement details are available in voice format posed by the user. The call icon on the right bottom corner shows user contact details. All these buttons change their color to blue once details have been viewed. Grayed out on note represents that the user has not shared details. The voice note icon will be grayed out if the user doesn't provide a voice note, or if he has not verified his Aadhaar. Call icon will be grayed out if the user is not willing to share his contact. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to our social media pages.